Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'll call this the before shot. As you can see, there's a little bit of snow around here currently, just a little bit, and there's the plow truck back over there, also looking pretty darn snowy. We'll get her fired up and see what we can do with some of these plow mounds here and get the road opened up. Alright, so here's the plow truck as we find it. The plow mound along here is about knee deep or so, and here's the old gal. That's okay, a bit over knee deep, more like mid thigh. All right, see if we can't get in here. Oh, Jesus! All right, into our glamorous cab here. All right, now let's see if she'll start up. I certainly hope she does. If she doesn't, I'm kind of screwed out here. Alright, fuel pump's on, that's good, we're out of gear. Alright, we're just going to give her a little bit of flame heat as we crank it over. There we go. There we go. Beautiful. Keep that flame heat on for a minute here while she warms up a little bit, smooths out. You probably hear that RPM change there when I let go of that. She's a little bit cold still, and a little snowy in here too, actually. Well, we'll get her cleaned off while she's warming up, and we'll get a little plowing action going on here. Let's see. There we go. Now we're running good. Oh yeah. Smoke going. Let's just take a quick little walk around here. We got a little bit of snow here. Missing one tire there. Had to steal one of the outside duals. Had a flat front tire the other day. Haven't got around to fixing it yet. There we go. God love the sound of this truck. Always sounds fantastic. Alright, got a couple of spare tires up in here. There you go, a little extra ballast weight. A couple 100 pounds a piece. Come in kind of handy now and then. Alright. Well, I gotta say in here, we're looking at about, well, my knee's down here somewhere, so there's a little bit of snow out here. And next up, we'll get some plow video. Okay, well, night has fallen and I'm still here pushing back some big mounds. Take a look at what this looks like here. Well, would help if I hit second gear. Hold on. Back it up and try that again. Since I definitely need a little run and start for this. Alright, much better. Back in. Alright. There you go. That's a whole lot of snow there, people. A whole lot of snow coming right up over the top of this blade, as you can see. But it's getting done down here. Trick's doing well. Okay, you guys got the before. Well, here's the after. Let's take a little drive here. Beginning's not so perfect, but I got a gate there to contend with, so try to push things up too deep around the gate. A little bumpy out here, but no snow on the road. I don't know exactly how this looks on screen, but the snowbanks each side of the road are about waist high, so there is definitely quite a bit of snow out here, but it's all nice and done now, or as done as it's going to get, let's put it that way. And we can always come back and clean things up again in the light of day, but it's not really worth screwing around down here in the dark anymore. And besides, it's now passable with my car, so how much better does it really need to be? There we are. Yeah. And then of course we've got the whole parking lot is also done out here, as you can probably sort of kind of see. We've got quite a bit of snow out here too. For general reference, these piles are all roughly about as tall as I am, and that's a good solid 6 feet. So I don't know if I'd call this any kind of massive disaster storm or anything, but definitely a bit of snow, more than we've seen this year, a lot more than we saw last year, because last year we really didn't see much of anything. So for this to be the first real storm of the year is definitely quite the doozy here. And then of course, well, I don't know if you can really actually see a damn thing on this camera, but hold on a sec here and we'll get a little light on the situation. Let's see here, where the heck is that light switch? Oh, there we go. Check. The old plow deuce here, all set, all done for the night. She did a good job. Can't really ask much more of a truck than to push a solid, 2.5 feet of snow out of the road all at once, and then move it all back and do the parking lot to boot. Did get quite a bit of assistance from another guy here in the club with an F250 and a power angle plow, which is real nice because, as you can see, this is a fixed angle plow, and it makes doing well, complex shapes in the parking lot a little bit more difficult. Anyway, that's about it for tonight. Have a good one.